Hello, hi. We are discussing about the emotional intelligence, the components of emotional intelligence. In the previous videos, we have discussed about how to name the emotion, and the second video we have discussed about how to teach self-control in the children. If you didn't watch these videos, the link is in the description, you can watch it. So today we are going to learn how to teach empathy towards the children. Empathy is understanding and caring. How can we teach small children such a complicated component? This is very, very important. So how to teach? I am going to give you few tips. The first tip is, as the child starts growing from 2 to 3 years. So the child already know how to name the emotion, then you can change the vocabulary. You can say that instead of I am feeling sad, you can say that I am disappointed. And these kinds of I am very joyful today. So you are naming the feeling over there. So this is how we are trying to give them a clear picture of what you are feeling to the child. So the child is improving their vocabulary. And the second tip to improve empathy is, whenever your child is discussing about any incident, it may be a positive incident or a negative incident. For example, a child got a prize, or the other child had a fall in the school. So what you have to do is, you have to ask the child the question, how do you feel if it happens to you? Let me repeat the question. How do you feel if it happens to you? So the child will come up with few answers. Try to elicit as many answers as you can, so that you are trying to make the child to understand how the other child is feeling. This is the first question. Second question is, how do you want others to treat you at this point of time? I'll repeat the question. How do you want others to treat you at this point of time? So if you got a prize, how do you expect others to treat you? So this is how we are trying to tell them what others are expecting from them. So with this, the child is now able to identify the feeling, and the child is able to identify how they are feeling, and the child is also very clear about what they are expecting from others. In this way, we can try to enhance their empathetic skills. Other thing which we can teach to the child is, whenever your child is playing or doing something, you just go to them and ask them, do you need any help? The child is playing, go ask them, do you need any help? Or the child is doing his homework, you can ask them, do you need any help? So that should become a pattern in this in their daily behavior, so that when they grow up, when they see someone is having a lots of workload, or someone is having some problem, they themselves will go and empathize with them and ask, do you need any help? If your child is intelligent and they are coming to you and asking you this question when you are busy with your daily chores, just try to give them an opportunity to help you. So in this way, you are not depriving from the empathetic mode, or you are not teaching the child that you can ask but you don't need to help kind of situation. So whenever your child is coming to you and asking, can I help you? Please take their help. And in this taking their help, it is very, very important to make the child responsible. So having a responsible child is a bliss. So in the next video, we'll know how to develop a responsible child, or how to develop responsibility in the children. Thank you so much for watching.